Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Making New with Walmart. Today we'll be upcycling a plastic bowl and turning it into a festive spring candle holder. Let's get started. The supplies you'll need are crafting moss, scissors, an assortment of glitter, rope or twine, a candle, matte Mod Podge, Waverly Inspirations chalk paint, a plastic bowl, a Mod Podge brush, and a Hello Hoppy paintbrush, crafting eggs, and hot glue. The first step for this project is to paint the plastic bowl to match your rope or twine. Today I'll be using white Waverly Inspirations chalk paint. While the bowl dries, we're going to coat our crafting eggs with a layer of Mod Podge, then sprinkle on glitter. The next step is to apply a thick layer of Mod Podge all around the outside of the bowl. Next, we're going to carefully wrap the outside of the bowl with rope until it is fully covered in sticks. Next, we're going to hot glue our candle inside the middle of the bowl and hot glue moss and our crafting eggs around it. And now we have this super cute upcycled bowl that you can use as a festive spring candle holder. For more project ideas and inspiration, visit plaidonline.com or visit your local Walmart.